Hey guys, what's up? Justin here. It's raining out. We are just about to go up to my papa's and go and play on the hay bales. So, come on, guys, come on. That's my friend Paul. You might have seen him in recent videos.
I don't remember ever being in your videos.
You remember with the laptop we had where we kind of interviewed you. We were like,
guys, remember the game?
Awesome Friends and Call of Duty World of War.
Guys.
You can look up that video on my channel. Oh! Hey Paul, check this out. Hopefully this thing is. Hopefully this camera is water resistant. I know it's waterproof, but is it water resistant?
How do you find the game?
He's so tall and he just corn dogged you.
You did it to me in the back.
Look, you knee him in the butt like this. You just knee him in the butt. No!
Don't put the camera with my phone.
Yo, watch this. Run backwards. Look. He can run as fast as me, but he's running backwards. I guess we gotta go back. That's my papa's old four-wheeler tire right there.
Which one? Hey, is it this one?
No, this one.
That's a hard drive.
After a couple hours, Bob goes back home, and he goes up tomorrow after playing with Paul for a few hours. My butt's sore. He kept on kicking it or kneeing it or something like that, or something else. So I'm not going to get into.
Thank you. That's what she said.
Wait.
What?
Something you
Fight, run. Oh my gosh, that's so close. I feel lonely. I'm the only one here without a hoodie.
My butt is going everywhere. There's a fire over there. You
Yeah.
why not to drop the soap?
Because you have to bend over.
And pick it up so it can come up behind you.
And the handlebar went like and
Hey, I got your game.
He wants to.
Is it an attachment for like a helmet or something?
Oh yeah. Hey Bob, are you wet? My grandma's wet.
Purple.
Hey Bob, Bob, are you wet? Oh, check this out. Look at
What?
No.
wait, where'd Papa take his four? Is Papa in there?
It's not your fault that you said
I want to show you guys something cool. Since while we're up here, I never get to do videos up here. We got a really nice tractor. There's John Deere that we actually put that front end loader on it. And here is him himself. John Deere Model B. We actually got John Deere Model A, but we're not going to talk about that right now because people like to come up here and look at it, and I think they're going to try to steal it, but I'm not going to talk about that. But, yeah. Making up my camera. Okay, guys, come on. We got the hay bales to play with.
You playing with your hay bales?
I wouldn't post this video. You're gonna have to.
Justin, you gotta do a hay bale. Dude, I'll break it. Justin, dude!
I still don't get why you guys think.
Oh, look at this small hay bale, dude. Small hay bale. Oh, I did. Oh!
I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna totally fail. Got this on video?
Yeah, I got that video, dude.
Dude, you can't do that.
I want to get a good angle of this.
Get a good angle. Yeah, get out of the way.
I'll hold it still.
No, you're gonna be a butthole and pushing. Get farther.
Okay. Keep back,
I want to
Austin.
see this fail.
Stop.
Dude. I just want to see the freaking fail. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Move.
Ow, my big, ow, ow, it just hit me in the back of my leg. I could get you soon. Oh.
Hit me in the nuts.
Ow, you kicked me.
Good.
Ow.
Yeah, I got an idea.
Oh.
Fail. How's that, bub? Not like it.
You gotta do this. Oh! Oh! The master himself!
And that's a puny jump.
You failed. I did it! Here I go. Oh! What's going on over there?
Look at you guys did the running jump.
Oh!
Please, fancy. My hoodie's wet.
Dude, just back flip off this. Back flip off it.
Yeah, I'll do a front flip. If I can get up there.
Let's see him do a front flip. You're probably not really good. If anything, roll it towards him so you can get out there. I want to see this back flip fail.
Dude, if that landed on me, I'll die.
No, let's push it over.
Okay.
There that goes.
This one is figuring it out.
Whoa! Get me away from him! Right. Let's go back and play on the hay bales. Let's go back and play on the hay bales.
Am I schooling?
What?
We're in at my school the other day. You ran at my school. You ran at my school the other day. And I got in the fire.
Ow! Dude, you didn't.
I'll record.
I got in the fire.
Okay, I'm letting Paul.
I got in the rain. And I got wet. And then I went to the class and then I said, I'm wet.
Justin, check this out.
Putty.
Paul.
I like pussy cats.
I like pussy cat.
Pussy cat.
You have to take Jeffrey out like this.
Hey guys, let's go into the field.
Take Jeffrey out like this.
No, you're not.
Guys, let's go into the field.
I barely hit ya.
Hashtag post sweet. Yeah, hashtag in the comments, Paul's week. I am the king of the world.
Oh my God, you got stuff in the back. You got stuff in the back.
Guys, let's go back to the fire. The fire back there. Let's go back there. What?
Copyright.
Say it again.
Are they even
He's on his
monitoring it?
toys.
Monitoring.
Copyright.
Are they monitoring it?
What?
Pledge allegiance to the flag that Justin Bieber is a fact. He used to play with baby toys, now he plays with baby boys. Had to get that out. That's an old one.
I pledge allegiance to the flag that
That
Justin
is a
Bieber.
flag.
Justin Bieber is a fag.
Pledge
He used to play with baby toys. Now he plays with baby boys.
allegiance to the flag that Justin Bieber is a fag. He used to play with baby toys, but now he plays with baby boys.
Boo.
I pledge allegiance to the flag that Justin
Drop it. Wait a minute, I gotta run up here and find some water I can dump my camera in. It got dirt on it. Parkour! Puddle! These are my nice BMX shoes. I think there's water right here.
Folks, here, listen to this. I pledge allegiance to the flag that Justin Kane is a fag. He used to play. He had taken the shape, but now he's a gay.
Guys, let's go back in the woods. Oh, Paul! Paul! Paul, let's go in the woods. Wait, what happened to the rope swing?
You guys took it down?
Oh, it's still up there. It's just stuck. You got
I'm not happy with you.
This guy's a professional parkour person.
Do it.
Oh! Oh! He almost had that! Austin, let him get it! Austin, let him get it!
I'll let you know if you my style.
Yay! Yay! This dude is dope!
Dude, he doesn't have his dope. Bob, I don't want to bite your weed. I don't want to bite your weed, okay?
Okay. Let's go inside. Get inside. Go inside. Whew.
Not my room.
Not going to.
Not outside my room.
Very sick. Well, thank thank you guys for watching. As always, subscribe, leave a like. Bye.